Welcome to the Garage Engineer. I'm Dennis. Do you want a non-destructive way to attach a webcam to your house? If the place you live at, you can't destructively add a webcam, that is, screw the webcam into a door or part of the house, let me show you how a good way to attach the webcam to the door without having to drill any holes. Now previously I had attached this webcam to my front door using this sticky adhesive, which normally it works. But with this heat in Georgia, it's just melting the adhesive right off and it's not staying. So we're going to fix that. And let me show you a way we can attach that without drilling any holes. First you need to go to your home improvement store and pick up this angle clip. It's less than $2. Now we've got the part and we are back at the shop. Let's try to camouflage this a little bit, and you can paint it black, but I found this kind of silvery gray hammered paint, and we're going to give that a few coats. Now the piece has time to dry. It looks really good. I like the coloring of it. What we're going to do to make this non-destructive is we're going to use some of these Gorilla mounting squares, and they're clear, which is what I like on some projects here. So we're going to put that on the back. And this is just to help so it doesn't slide down the door when you're trying to close it, so to make it hands-free. So now let's open the door and we will attach our bracket on to the inside of the door, and we will mount the camera. And that's how you mount a security camera in 30 seconds, non-destructively.